Hello everybody, welcome to GenX eSolution. In today's video lesson, we are going to learn how we can manage the booking module from our mid-office system. In the bookings module, we have manage existing booking, cancellation queue, offline flight booking for an agent, book for a direct clients, amendment inquiry list. We will go through with the modules one by one. In manage existing booking, we can go ahead and check out the details for all the booking that has happened on our account. All the booking lists will be made available here. We have given you the filter options wherein you could search with the various modes. We have given you the option to search for the booking by the reservation reference number, supplier name, supplier reference number, service name, lead passenger, travel date from or to, booking date from or to, billing date, reservation status, agency name, staff name, service type, booking ID, mobile number, email address, country, and city. We could also search it by the channel. As you could see on the dashboard, we are showing you all the list of booking that has been made on account. If we want to check the details for a particular booking, we could simply select on the reference number. Once this reference number is selected, we will get all the details for this particular booking. What was the service? What was the name of the passenger? If it is a flight or a hotel, we could see up what is the service book, the PNR number, who was the supplier, booking sector, details, as in for the cabin class, status, journey date, journey type, trip type, ticket printed, yes or no, ticket mailed, yes or no, airline details, and the price breakup. We could go ahead and print ticket from here. We could email the ticket, we could email the invoice, we could check the invoice, and if we want to do any kind of amendment on the booking, we could also go ahead and do that by offline amendment mode. The next section says for the payment status, whether the payment has been received or not, any notes that has been updated on the account. If we want to upload any of the document, we could go ahead and do it from here. We could also add any note. If we want to add up any kind of a charges to that, we could also go ahead and do that. So this is the complete details for our existing booking. In the bookings module, we have got the next section is for the cancellation queue. We could go ahead and check out the details for all the bookings which are going to be in the cancellation queue within next period. So we could search for the service. We could go ahead and select from which date, how many days. We can simply do a submit. If the data would be available, it will be shown across over here. The next module in the booking segment is offline flight booking for an agent. We could go ahead and do an offline booking for an agent by entering up the following details: the name of the agency, which vendor, email address, mobile number, flight details. We could enter up all the details over here for the flight, airline, flight, departure, airport, departure, arrival date, departure date, cabin baggage, check-in baggage, sector, action, and all the details we could update from here. What is the mode of the payment and all the information. And this is how we can update the offline flight booking for an agent. We have given you this option in the mid-office system, that book for an agent. We can simply select it. In order to make a booking on behalf of an agent, we need to select the agent name, for which agent we would like to do a booking, hotel or flight. We could simply select the service. We could also do a live search. We could also do a live search and book for hotel and flight. We could also go ahead and update manual booking for hotel and flight. Once we select for flight, it will route us to the page wherein you could see that the service which we want to book for. We could select the details. We could update the information over here. For example, we want to do a booking from Dubai to London. We could go ahead and book from here, whether it's a round trip or a one-way. In this way, we could do a booking on the behalf of an agent. The next module in the booking segment is book for a direct client. Similar way, what we have done, we can select for the registered client or a non-registered client, and we can go from here. Similar fashion, similar way, we could do a hotel or a flight live or a manual booking. We could update from here. The next segment in the booking module is amendment inquiry list. All the amendment which we are going to receive from an agent or from our direct customer, whatever the amendment they are requesting on a particular booking, they are going to do it from their end, and all the amendment list will be shown across over here in this amendment inquiry section. In the next video, we are going to learn how we are going to manage our agent module. Thank you.